Rumor, this is not confirmed, but Hagrid's Magical Creatures Motorbike Adventure will be adding Universal Express passes this week. Like I said, this is just a rumor, but it could be happening this week. This is very, very big news. This comes from WDWNT.com. Earlier this year, they reported on the possibility of the attraction adding Universal Express passes. The attraction has been primed for an Express Pass line since July 2024, but has yet to open. Hagrid's has previously offered a single rider line off and on. It has been available for months, however, leaving the standby line as the only way to ride the attraction. So yeah, this ride has had the single rider line for a while, but we have not seen the Fast Pass ever for this ride. So this is huge, huge news. The single rider option is subject to availability and may open or close at any time. That's as far as single rider goes. But if the rumors are correct, the single rider line will become the Universal Express Pass line this week. Sources indicate Hagrid's was supposed to open Universal Express Pass access on Tuesday, but the option was delayed by a few. So if you're somebody that likes to get on the single rider line for Hagrid's and you're worried that if this opens, you're not going to have that line, I don't think you have anything to worry about. As far as from what I can see at the Universal parks, single rider line and the express line are sometimes just the same line. I don't think they're going to get rid of the single line people. I think you'll still be able to get in. You'll just get in through the Express Pass line. This is going to be really, really cool for people that have Express Pass. I think Express Pass at Universal is worth it, especially if you're going on very busy days. I think it's so much easier than what Disney is doing right now. Yes, it's more expensive, but it's worth it. You don't have to be on your app all day. You just go to the ride and you jump in the line and you're good to go. So Hagrid's being like one of the greatest roller coasters of all time, having this option now, I think this is really, really cool. People will be able to get on this ride a couple more times a day now. And the ride opened in the ride opened in 2019 and it has never had an Express Pass. I think it's time. I think it's time to see how this goes. So yeah, shout out to WDWNT.com for giving me that little news article there. Like I said, it's just a rumor, but it could be happening any day now this week. So let's see how it goes.